Hi guys, Mike from Black Dog Customs here. So one of the most common questions we have from clients coming into the shop is what kind of security solutions we can offer for their Humvees. So one thing we recommend highly against is using any kind of keyed ignition switch. These keyed ignition switches you find online, it's not a matter of if they're going to fail, but when they're going to fail. They fail nearly 100% of the time, and if you're lucky when they do, they won't take out expensive components like your start box or leave you stranded on the side of the road. So one thing we do recommend is using a fuel cutoff switch. These fuel cutoff switches can be hidden in a variety of different locations. A lot of times we'll put them anywhere from underneath the hood to under the dash to one of the most common places we'll stick them is back here behind the driver's seat. So thieves, when they're looking to steal a Humvee, are not typically looking for a fuel cutoff switch. And what happens is when that switch is flipped, you go to start your Humvee, and it's just going to crank and crank and crank like it doesn't work or like it's out of fuel. And most guys will just leave it alone. So if you flip that toggle switch again and come back and try to start it, it's going to fire right up for you. So that's probably the most common one that we install. So hit us up, check us out online. And as always, thanks for watching and check back frequently for more videos.